If you haven't been here before, my name is Ashley Schuberg and I blog behind desginer, so thank you again for joining me. I'm so happy to be sharing with you guys my unboxing today. So on Friday I went to Bicester Village, which is about 45 minutes away on the train from Marylebone, and you can just get one train to this. It's an outlet store. It is one of the best, I think. It has so many amazing stores, like you name it, they have it. Dior, Acne, Balanciaga, Prada, Gucci is really amazing there too. Hey guys, so I have just arrived at Bicester Village and we're gonna go shopping now. So there's about 162 from memory stores here that we're gonna go have a look. So I've got the whole day basically. Let's go shopping. Gucci right now. We're gonna find some stuff to try on. I've just been into Gucci, Jimmy shoes, and then just been into Fendi. I have literally lost Scott. Like, he just messaged me and he's like, oh, I'm in Hugo Boss. For a guy who doesn't shop at all. He's kind of disappeared. He's doing the Ashley move. Ooh, Dolce. I might go in there. And I think he's having more fun shopping here than me. Okay, we're going to Dolce and Gabbana. Oh, hey. What have you got?
Well, I've got a pair of shoes. This is great. These are like 32 quid. Amazing.
Fucking, they look great, honey.
Which ones do you like?
And I found Scott and he's obsessed. Like, basically everything is so cheap. I think he found these shoes. These for like £30. It's just amazing deal, right? Now he's over there looking for more stuff.
Make sure we get the best.
I know. So how much is this, honey? £120. Wow. It looks great and it's like nice leather. So I'm in Acne now. I'm just trying on this Acne scarf, obviously. So cute. So we have just finished shopping, so now we're gonna get a train home, and I'll show you guys what I bought basically. So this is all the damage that was done today. So without any further ado, let's go through Scott's item really quickly. So he got this I think he got 2 pair of shoes from Timberland. So this is like really good for men, and I think everything in this store is super cheap. He got this kind of like black all leather sneakers, really good quality, and it was from, let me tell you, it was originally £130. It went down to £87, but he got it for £30. That's a win, right? So £30, it's so cheap, and it's all leather. So he got 2 pair of these, which he loved, and I was so happy for him because he rarely ever, you know, buys anything. And then he went into Hugo Boss as well, and he got like a couple of pairs, 2 t-shirts, 1 polo and 1 t-shirt. So the polo was originally £75, it went to £49, and I think he got them for £30. £30 each for these t-shirts from Hugo Boss. So that's the win, right? I think that's a really good price for men. Now I'm going to put these away. And then my first item for myself is the Prada bag. So I think everyone wanted to know what I got basically. I went into Prada last time, but I couldn't find anything that I liked. But now I will show you guys. So here it is. Can you guess what it is? Okay, let me do a little reveal. So ta-da! It is the Prada beach bag. So it is canvas, leather, it's not leather, it's just all canvas. And I guess because with summer coming up here, I wanted like a really cute beach bag. And the price for this little goodie is £365. How good is that? I don't think I've ever seen a Prada bag for £365. Normally, like I might be able to get a wallet if I'm lucky. So that's an awesome buy. Let me show you guys how I would wear this. It's like packaged all really well, just like when you buy it from the boutique. I mean, it is a boutique. So it comes with a strap, a shoulder strap as well, both in canvas, and I think there's like little bits of leather. So where is the handle? Okay, so it goes in here, and I will model this for you. And there you go, this is what it looks like this. And you know, so I think that's just a really good buy. So my next item, what can I show you guys? So let's do this little Acne one first. So I always wanted the Acne scarf, which I never really got because I was like, oh my god, it's so expensive. Without further ado, this is my Acne Studio purchase. So it's also beautifully wrapped. The Acne scarf, like more than a scarf actually, it's like almost like a poncho that you just wrap around your body. How I would probably wear this is, so I will show you guys. Okay, so here is the bag. This bag for £265. Okay, so this will be the bag that I will travel with. Pretty much where I dump all my stuff. So this is, it's like a tote. Here you go. Oh my god, I love Sandro. So I'm really excited that I went into the store and I found stuff. You know, sometimes you go into an outlet store and you feel like, okay, you can't get your size. Anything in your size is sold out. And they were from £209 and I got it for £125. So initially I wasn't sure about these shoes, but I saw the girl that worked there, she wore it, and you know, it looked amazing on her, so I figured I'll get these. And you can never really go wrong with sneakers, right? And I love Sandro, such a cool brand. So here it is. And I think sometimes when you go into like an outlet, you know, you never have your size that you want, but I find like most of the stores that I went into, they have my size. Like I'm a 10, like usually a 10, you know, and that's like a common size, but I really think that they have so many sizes that you can buy. Sometimes you get so disappointed when you go into like these like outlet stores. So last but not least, you guys probably guessed it already. It's very Miss Gunner style. So it's a suit, and these are the trousers for the pants, for the trousers pants, whatever how you say this. And I think I got this for the trousers, £70. Guys, it's Sandro, £70. Like, that's so nice, and it's just so beautifully made, which I love.